Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to be unboxing the MacBook Pro with Touchbar, 13-inch, Core i5, 3.1 GHz, 8 gigs of RAM. Already got the plastic started on the bottom here. Here is the computer itself. Go ahead and set that aside. Here is your USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Your wall adapter, USB-C wall adapter. This one is a 61 watt. It does not come with the extender. I do have a couple of those though, and this part is detachable if you have those laying around. And then right here you have your instruction sheet with your tips on the back, your warranty information, and of course your Apple stickers. No cleaning cloth or anything with this one like they included with previous models. Right here we have the computer. Best sound ever. And off it comes. There we go. There it is. I'm not going to open it up right now because it will power on if I open it up. I did get a couple accessories with it. Got the tool case. Which is a little dusty. Let's see. This did come with a scratch shield for the top and the bottom. It does say they're optional. And then basically it's just a bumper style case that fits on the top and the bottom of the computer. And last but not least, I picked up the Apple USB-C adapter that has USB-C, Lightning, and regular USB on it, so I can plug in my card reader and an external monitor if I wanted to do that. So that is what I got. Like I said, 13-inch i5, 8 gigs of RAM, 13-inch MacBook Pro. This has been Colin with Techout. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below.